Okay. Da, 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 It's in the box. Ah, snail. Magic snail. One, two, one, three. One, one, two, one, three. Okay. Dog. Mình đi tìm à? Door. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Doll. Hello everyone. Okay. Hello. How are you guys? Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. So what day is it today?
Friday.
Yeah, today Friday, not Saturday. Friday I spell. Friday. 12 June 2026. About unit 1, the alphabet. So what letters we learned yesterday? A, B, C or letter C? Yeah, letter C. So what is the sound of letter C? K. Yeah, K. Say louder. Okay, K. Okay, now teacher point and then you need to say. What letter is it? Okay, big A or uppercase A? Small A. Small B. Big C. Yeah, big C, small C. What is the sound of A? B. C. Okay, so today we're gonna learn the letter is D. Good job. D. What is the sound of D? That's our. Okay, so teacher now play video about the sounds of letter D. Hello guys, clap 1, clap 3. Okay, start it.
She loves farms, so I will go to the farm to try and find letter D.
ឥឡូវនេះក៏ទៅក្នុងកសិដ្ឋានហើយគេទៅស្វែងរក letter អីកូន Yeah, letter D.
Oh, do you hear that? Letter D.
You okay?
Where are you?
អ្នកឯងនៅណា Where are you? Letter D.
There you are, letter D. We are here to get you back to the alphabet land. Let's go, letter D. But wait, which is the correct way back to the alphabet land? We must choose the one that has the word with a duck sound. Should we go down the dog path or the cat path? Let's choose the path with a duck.
តើបងប្អូនគ្នាយើងមើលតើពាក្យ cat ហើយនឹង dog តើពាក្យមួយណាដែលផ្ដើមដោយ letter D? Dog. The right one or the left one? មួយណាកូន The right, this one the right that start from letter D or the left one that start from letter D? Yes, the right.
We are to take the road with the duck sound to get
យើងមានពីរពាក្យវាមាន phone, you know phone guys? Phone and a radio.
radio.
Yeah វាមានពាក្យ phone ទូរស័ព្ទដៃ and radio គឺប្រែថាវិទ្យុចឹងតើពាក្យណាដែលមាន letter D នៅក្នុងហ្នឹង Radio the right one again, right?
To the alphabet land. I see radio road and phone road. We must go to the road with a duck sound in the name. So is it radio road or phone road? Radio. All right. But friends, where is the duck sound in the word radio? At the beginning,
No.
middle, or at the end? In the middle.
Yeah, in the middle one.
Oh look, we have to.
Which one, everyone?
Maybe we can find the one with the duck sound to get to the alphabet land. One chapter is written below, and the other chapter is written gold.
Letter D in. Now, which one or which word that has letter D in? The blue or gold? Yeah, gold. តើteacher សុំកូនម្នាក់ណាមកជួយ one of you guys come here and then point letter D. Okay, this one you can use it the finger to point it. Letter D. Right or not?
Let's do it together, kids.
តើទាំងអស់គ្នាកូនលើកដៃទាំងអស់គ្នាមកបាទ point your finger up and then យើងនឹងព្យាយាមសរសេរតាមគេ Start from where we start from? Yeah. Up, down, slick. Right. Letter D. Okay, thank you. Go to your seat, please. Okay, let's write D. Chẳng sửa xe D. Da 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 da. Trump. Done. Này cái bông. What is the sound of D, guys? Yeah, da da.
Letter D is very excited to see you. He's making his special sound. Duh, 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 duh. I think letter D wants to show us something. Aha!
Ma, teacher, so everyone, ta. Guy, what is this? Ball. And how about this one? Fish. And this one? Yeah, shoe. So, what is this? We don't know, right? Ta lấy ta cái chữ đấy nó cái vô từ quay xây cái lại cho mơ tao tiền.
Letter D has found his special spade.
Anh can spell á, còn spell.
Dick was on
Spell.
treasure.
So,
There are two holes for digging here. We need to find the one with the letter D on it.
so which one is letter D? The right or the left?
Right.
Yeah, the right. The right one is that, right? Yeah, letter D.
It should look just like our friend, letter D. Yes, can you help letter D find his hole? Point to the letter D so we know where to dig.
No. Yes. No. Say no. Yeah. No. Yes.
Great job, kids. You found letter D.
Cái đâu phải letter D à?
See how letter D's hole has a shape on it? Time to dig for treasure.
Tích bên đây chị con chị đâu làm bắt đó con. Chà. Đâu cầm nọ.
Oh dear.
Ha đấy.
It's hard work. Yes, can you help letter D dig? Say dig.
តើគ្នា letter D នឹងក៏តិចយកកំណត់ treasure ប៉ុន្តែគាត់ហត់ពេកក៏អស់កម្លាំងចឹងបងប្អូនជួយគាត់បានទេ Everyone can help him yes អាចជួយគាត់បានទេអូខេបើបាន say yes or no yes សូមបងប្អូនទៅ say អីគេដើម្បីជួយគាត់បាន yes say the sound the មែនអត់គាត់មកឥឡូវចាំជួយគាត់ជីកឲ្យបានរកកំណត់ឃើញតើកំណត់នោះវាមានអីគេនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹង
To help him dig.
អូខេ the 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 the
Deep hole.
អញចូលទៅក្នុងជ្រៅដុប deep hole
I think the hole is too deep to climb
ជ្រៅ
out.
ពេកគាត់ថា
Worry, letter D. We
Don't
can
worry.
find another way out.
គេទៅរកផ្លូវមួយផ្សេងចេញណាតាណែ
Oh, there are two tunnels here.
មានពីរផ្លូវ
Letters.
តែរកកំណត់មួយណាផ្លូវទៅរកកំណត់តា
Oh, yeah.
Where is the treasure way
D.
the right one right okay the right one the right one
Letter D has a big round tummy. Kid, can you help us
Yes.
letter D find the letter
No.
tummy?
Yes.
Bottom.
no yeah
Yes, the letter D has a big round bottom.
oh. so what is in the box what is in the box
Like there's some sparkling treasure.
ប្រហែលជាខ្សែក necklace
Oh no, but there is some more dirt blocking the way.
មានអីគេនឹងបាំងហើយ
Dig through this dirt, he can reach the treasure. Kids, let's help letter D dig by making the duck sound.
អូខេឥឡូវយើងជួយគាត់ទៀតឲ្យខ្លាំងៗដើម្បីគាត់ជីកអាកម្មខ្នាស់អូខេ
Kids,
this one the treasure box
D dig and reach the treasure.
ចុចសោឡើយ ready ទៀត
It's locked.
ធ្វើម៉េចទៅចុចសោឲ្យហ្នឹង
D
it's
has
locked
an idea.
សរសេរ
Good
Say the way, no?
letter D, we can unlock the chest.
ធ្វើម៉េច unlock វាបានកូន
Letter D.
ធ្វើម៉េច yeah តាជួយដោះសោអូខេ point your finger up and then
Where do we start?
okay start from the middle
That's right. We start in the middle.
and then go round
Go round
up up
and up to the top
and then down
and down.
and flick យើងអាចមាន flick ទៅក៏បានមិន flick ក៏បាន yeah let it be
Great job.
របូតសោហើយឥឡូវវា unlock already
Treasure chest.
oh so what is in the box
Nice.
ah
Wow.
snail
Magic snail.
magic snail ខ្យងវេទមន្ត yes magic snail
Maybe the magic snail can help you get back up to the balloon.
អូគាត់នាំជួយទៅខាងនេះ
Before the magic snail takes letter D home, she wants us to show her how to write the letter D.
ជួយឲ្យគាត់ទៅសេទៀតទៀតតា
Your fingers
Ta.
need to follow. the
Okay
shape.
let's start it ទាំងអស់គ្នាសុំលើកដៃមកកូនតា start from តាម៉ាខ្ជិល
We go round
up
and up to the top
and down
and down.
so what is it guys letter D
Well done, kids. You showed the magic snail how to write the letter D.
ទេអត់អីទេកូនគេមកចាំសិន
The
ទេ
magic snail wants to have a go now.
what snail គេ magic snail ហើយ
Well done. You did it, magic snail. Now let's get back to the Spoopalulu.
សុភលឺលឺ
Letter D. I think the sound.
the sound what កៃ the sound នេះគេ letter D sound នេះកូនមិញចាគេ letter D ចាអូខេ bye bye letter D តាកូនណាដឹងមកសុំម្នាក់ who can come here and then write down small D ណា small D who want who want មកអ្នកណាមកនេះឲ្យសរសេរ small D ឲ្យទីចាំមួយបានទេអាម៉ាបានអត់អូខេមកអាម៉ាតា letter D here letter D yeah small តា write down small one yes មកឥឡូវ teacher មិញ teacher ឃើញមិត្តភក្តិកូនមកឥឡូវសូមទាំងអស់គ្នាកូនឯងជួយសង្កេតមើលអាម៉ាម្ដងទៀតអាម៉ាមើលសិនតើអាម៉ាសរសេរយ៉ាងម៉េចអាម៉ាសរសេរមួយគេមើលណាកុំលឿនពេកពួកយើងចាំមើលអាម៉ាសរសេរហើយចាំមើល check ជាមួយ teacher នៅលើនោះថាតើមួយណាសរសេរត្រូវមួយណាសរសេរខុសឬក៏អាម៉ាសរសេរត្រូវដែរឬក៏អាម៉ាសរសេរយ៉ាងម៉េចណាតើ let's start it អូគេនៅថែមគេជិះមួយម៉ាត់ទៀតអូខេអត់ទេហ៎បាទឥឡូវយើងមកមើលមួយទៀតបាទតើកូនអាចសរសេរ big D ឲ្យ teacher មួយទៀតស្គាល់ big D ហើយនៅកូនអើយចិត្តគ្នាស្រេចតែម្ដងមកមក letter D but big one អូចាំមើលចុះណាគេផងគេសរសេរត្រូវអត់មានន័យថាគេ start from the top go round back to the top and then down អូខេឡើងមិនទេអាម៉ា
Is it dog?
dog
You only got practice sheet and a pencil.
គួយត្រង់ខ្លួនគួយត្រង់ខ្លួន
Our free practice sheet. First, we'll write the capital D. That's the big D. Start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and go around to the bottom.
អូខេតាមកសាំម្ដងទៀត
Let's
បងប្អូនលើកដៃកូនតា start from the top down back to the top and then go round yes មកមានមកចាប់ដើម start from the top and then go down back up to the top and then go round to the bottom
You did it right.
okay down and round what does it say yeah let it be
We're going to write the lower
ឥឡូវយើងចូលដល់ lower case b មួយទៀតមកលើកដៃតាមគេមកកូនដើម្បីយើងចាំខុសហើយសរសេរឲ្យបានស្អាតណា
in the middle and go all the way around. Next, go up to the top and then go down.
what letter guys
Let's try
D small d តា next
around,
around up
up to the top
and down
and down.
okay the last one
Try
start from the middle លើកដៃកូនលើកដៃទៅអត់ចេះទេណាកូនទៅអត់លើកអត់ចេះទេ start from
right.
up and down what letter is it guys D small d
The letter D.
មកទីឆាសុំឲ្យកូនសរសេរម្ដងមកលើកដាក់បាត់ដៃកូនសិនសរសេរលើកបាត់ដៃតោះ everyone okay you need to write a big and small letter D on your palm you know palm គឺបាត់ដៃមិនផោមទេណាទៀនឈីចេញផោមតា a big one សរសេរមិនកូន big one ណាចាំ big letter D គេសរសេរយ៉ាងម៉េច big letter D មិញ start from the top and the middle one the top and then go down round the មានន័យទៅវិញឬ round ពីលើមកក្រោមវិញ yeah ពីលើ from up to down right down and round ឬក៏យើងសេ down back up to the top and then round to the bottom what letter is it guys okay letter D មក right នៅលើខ្យល់ម្ដងទៀតតា start from the top and then go down back up to the top and then go round to the bottom មកសុំសរសេរ3ដងនៅលើក្តារឈ្នួនយកក្តារឈ្នួនមកហើយនៅកូនអត់ទាន់យកមកសុំក្តារឈ្នួនមកសេពឹបមកឥឡូវឲ្យសរសេរទាំង big ទាំង small តែម្ដងខាងលើ big 3ខាងក្រោម small 3ហើយនៅពីក្រោមគ្នាស្អាតតែចាប់ផ្ដើម teacher រកដល់តែ10រួច so when teacher say 1 you need to what stand up okay and when I say 2 you need to sit down 1 stand up 2 sit down okay are you ready 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 okay មួយទៀត3ដល់ពេល3ក្រវីចេះ okay okay 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 1 1 2 1 3 okay តាមកទីឆាសុំមកសង្វាត what letter we learn today what letter we learn today letter yeah letter D so letter D the big one we start from where the big one nothing the big one we start from the top or the middle one guys start from the top or the middle one yeah the top one and then go down and round what letter is it guys and the small one start from the top or the middle អាម៉ៃតាអាម៉ៃលឺមកជាមួយបងអ៊ីមតាអាម៉ៃ small one start from the top or the middle one start from the top or the middle អាម៉ៃអត់ដឹង the middle or the top អាម៉ៃដែរតែកូនឯងមើលតា start from the top or the middle the middle or the top the mat ទាំងអស់គ្នា the middle or the top one yeah the middle and then go round up and down what letter is it guys letter D so today we learn about letter D yes មួយនេះសួរជាងគេទាំងអស់គ្នាមកប៉ុណ្ណាដឹងនេះគេធ្វើមិនដឹងអត់តែមិនយ៉ាកូនសញ្ញាព្រួយចាំទាំងអស់គ្នា what letter is it guys big or small A how about this one big B or call upper case what is it guys big D ចាំខាងនេះមានគេទៀតឯណែ big អីកូន how about this one how about this one អញ្ចឹងកូនភ្ជាប់វាឲ្យត្រូវតាម big C តាម C អីគេទៀត B តាម B A តាម A D តាម D តាយកបើកូនបូដាក់សេងមកកូនណា Đã riêng con riêng riêng. Ta nhưng riêng chấm riêng mà ta tè ta. Ta riêng riêng lên lên à. Ok riêng con riêng. Ta thôi trăng hai ai thôi cài cái hai riêng bàn con á. It's time to go home lắc đai con phong ta. It's time to go home. Sao đáy không có? It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye. See you. Hey, goodbye guys. See you on Monday.